Hi all, Lucas Torelli is here, and welcome to this new course, The New Rules of Compositing with Photoshop and Artificial Intelligence. Images and compositing have always attracted me, and I remember the first time I studied this from one of my favorite teachers, Eric Almas. I remember it was amazing because I realized immediately that I could create my scene by adding elements from parts of the image that were not there in the reality, or by modifying an image using more than one image. You realize that if you are a creative, the possibilities of creation are endless. But this is the old school, fundamental nowadays. But you have to realize that we can do more now. Artificial intelligence is inside Photoshop, so it can help us save time in our creative process, immediately giving us access to endless possibilities and variations as we build our image. In my personal experience, I use both methods. The old school method, using transparent PNGs or elements extracted from images, and the generative fill, generative expand, backgrounds creating Midjourney, and so on. This is what I highly recommend, and it is the main topic of this course. I will let you know in detail, as I usually do, all my retouching routines and some tricks and tips to get the best results for your images. So don't waste time, let's get started.